Here's a little Tuesday tips on bandsaws.
One of the things that I don't want to do when I'm using a really odd shaped piece like this is take it over the bandsaw and get it round, because I won't know what that axis is and that scale is, the orientation is, until I start to hog off some of this stuff on the lathe. The hogging off process is information gathering. So I don't want a bandsaw to influence my creativity here and my options of making this the best that it can be. So bandsaw is not a good plan on that. Even though a bandsaw is not a safe way to cut up a huge piece of wood, but more importantly, the influence the bandsaw might have on my shape and scale and axis once I start looking at this piece to move it around to make this a piece that's spectacular rather than just mediocre.